When you're collaborating with other people, sometimes it's sufficient to put notes into the document or to have the comment feature, which invites a discussion, but that's asynchronous. It's not in real time. On the other hand, there are different times when having a real-time conversation is going to get you a lot further, a lot faster in your work. Fortunately, Google Sheets makes that kind of conversation really easy with a built-in chat functionality. To do that, you have to have at least two people working on the same document. I can come over here and see that it's open in my other account. And then I click on this icon which says Show Chat. And then I simply come down to the chat window, type hello, and it lets me know I've sent them a message. Now let me go to the other account, and it's telling me that there's a message here. Now if I click on this, it just kind of goes away. But if I come up here where I've got my little notification dot, I open up the chat and there it is. Okay. Here I am. What's up? And now I've got this conversation going back and forth. And this allows people to work together in a way to try to solve the issues. It works really well when people are really far apart and maybe, for instance, a live telephone conversation is not the best idea. This chat history stays there as long as anybody has the document open. So for instance, let me go to my other account and I will close the document here. And then what you get over here is an indication that Barton Poulsen, that's my other account, has left. If I close the document here and then I open it right back up, I give it a moment to load. And there's actually nothing there because the other person's not even in there anymore. So the chat history disappears once everybody closes the document. But while you're there, it's a great way to have this real-time conversation about what's happening in the document, what tasks needs to be done, how to interpret, and how to apply your insights.